it by this remote controller, and we also can touch control. This is 3 Mr. volume, this is first, second, and third. This is third Mr. volume. And this one is 12 liter water tank and very large. When you fill the water from the top, just like this, directly from this tank. And for one time, then you can use continually for 48 hours, very long. So don't worry about to fill the water frequently, very easily. And you also can open the UVC sterilization line to kill all the virus of the water. So make the water ultrasonic with very pure mist and very good to the healthy and very good to your plant, I think. This nozzle can be rotated to the destination as you like. Just like what I showed you. And the operation of this humidifier is 350 liters, so you can feel actually the mixture is very large. Can you see? This one is in the integrated structure, so don't worry about the leak problem. It is leak proof. It has water pump inside. Okay, let me show you. Can you see? You see, there is a 316 stainless steel atomizer and the UV sterilization light. Okay, and this is water tank. It is very large. It is 12 liters water tank. And there is, you see, there is a road light. And for the color, you can customize for the color you want, just like warm white, red, and yellow, etc. And another function is you can add some essential oil you like in this small box. Then it will define when you blow out the essential oil with the mixture out. So make the whole room feel good. Okay. This is our new humidifiers with very cheap factory price. If you have any interest, contact me.